Not all distros are built the same. Day 4, and today I'm trying Zorin OS. It's designed to look like Windows, but can it actually replace it? So here on the boot menu, I'm going to pick the UEFI on the USB, and I'm going to go try or install Zorin OS. Probably the right option. Fingers crossed. Here we go. There we go. Now that we're in the desktop, just waiting for it to load quickly. There we go. We're gonna click install Zorin OS, not try. Is my mouse not working? Maybe I have to click at the bottom. There we go. Okay. Yeah, English, wireless. Yeah, I'm gonna connect to my Wi-Fi. Continue. Waiting for it to load again. Something else probably. Here we go. We should probably pick the. I have a USB flash drive, or it's a micro SD card that I'm going to use for this, and then I will install it on here. I think we're supposed to put the mount point as / or the root directory on there, so I'm going to quickly remove that and create another one in that free space, and this time put the mount point as / the root. Okay, I think that's good. I hope that's not my main drive, but I don't think it is. Okay, install now. Warning. It's good that they put these warnings, because I think it's a lot of times that people put the wrong drive and then they realize, yeah. Yeah, I think that all looks right. Put my location. Continue. My name. Put in my name. There's my host name, my username, and there's my password. Okay. And continue. The thing that I don't like about Zorin OS is there is a paid version, and they take a lot of the features away from you when you don't use the paid version. They also have an education version, which I can imagine is quite useful. This isn't the education version, this is just the core, which is the only free one. Because I'm not prepared to spend money on an OS that I'm going to use for one day. So here we go, we're just rebooting, and then we can go Zorin OS. It looks like this also has Ubuntu on that same menu, but I'm just going to pick Zorin OS. Okay, now we can log in, and now that this is loaded, and there we go, we have the desktop. This is actually a cool desktop. What's this? Like a welcome screen, like Fedora. If you guys haven't seen that video, go check it out. It's a great video. Next, I don't want to create an account for one day, like I said earlier. Next. There we go, close. Update software. 1,003 megabytes. Isn't that supposed to be like a gigabyte? Anyway, I'll install now. Let's just put that aside. And then we can open Brave, the web browser. Future me here, it took like half an hour to launch. I had to cut that out. Yeah, I don't know what was going on. Okay, now I can search for OBS, and oh, it's taking long to load. Open broadcaster software. I don't know that's what it was called. Download OBS Studio. Since this is basically Ubuntu, I think we can just copy that command. And then I think we can paste it into here. Didn't copy it properly. Now let's copy it and paste it into there. Put my password in for sudo. I'm just gonna press enter there. What? Maybe it's the updates that are breaking it. Let me just get that update here. And then I think we might have to just wait for it to finish up. I don't want to restart now, and all of the updates are finished. And then I think we just paste that same sort of set of commands in and hit enter. And enter again. It's taking a while to load. There we go. Okay, now that that's done, we can go and open OBS. Okay, now it's open. There's just the configuration page. I'm gonna pick 60 again. Although this doesn't actually matter, and whatever this records isn't actually gonna get edited. Like I said in the last video, my editing software does not appreciate variable FPS videos. Okay, I'm gonna pick my display here, and I'm gonna click share. There we go, it appeared. And there we go, I've got another cool string, like in the last video. Studio mode. Hopefully we don't have issues like in the last video. And we never got that resolved. Oh, come on. And we never got that fixed. Now I don't know what I'm gonna do. Future me here, I spent like half an hour trying to figure out the driver issues. I did a lot of different things, but ultimately just re-logging in fixed it. So yeah, I'm just gonna pick Zorin desktop on Zork. I don't know how to pronounce it. Now if we open OBS, please let this work. Sorry, it's just on the wrong screen. Let me bring it over. There it is. And now we can set it to full screen, and we need to add a thing. Built-in display next. Okay. Yeah, this is an issue. I'm just going to install Stress. Okay, now that we have Stress installed, we can have another attempt at this. I think you actually need to do display capture instead of screen capture. Wow, big difference. And then press OK, and that seems to fix it. Yeah, and we can record, which is great, and it seems to save it to the home folder. Okay, now we can open the terminal and run Stress. And now I'm just gonna go and do a couple of things while it's being stressed. And I'm gonna go to YouTube. Silicon Workshop. And then go to one of my videos. There we go. It seems to work. That's nice. Luckily we didn't have issues like in the last one. And the quality is set pretty high, which is good, I think. Yeah. And the video works perfectly full screen. Yeah, that looks good. Future me here, I had some grub issues after rebooting, trying to edit the video, but I eventually got it fixed. So, watching YouTube gets a 6.5 out of 10 because it was super slow the first time, even without stress testing it. Lightweight gaming or performance testing gets a 6 because especially the browser went really slow. File transfers and NAS access gets a 9, and app compatibility gets a 10 out of 10 because it's basically Ubuntu already. And I know it's a bit biased because all of the Ubuntu based distros get it, but yeah, it is what it is. So it would have gotten 31.5, but I'm gonna make it 32 since it's such a beautiful OS.